Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato-carrot soup. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients. You will need about 2 pounds of potatoes and 1 pound of carrots, ensuring they are firm and vibrant. Also, have 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 4 cups of vegetable broth ready. For seasoning, prepare salt, black pepper, and a pinch of dried thyme. These simple components will form the delicious base of our soup, promising a warm and inviting meal for everyone. Now, let's prepare our vegetables. First, peel and dice your potatoes and carrots into roughly 1-inch pieces. This uniform size ensures they cook evenly and become tender at the same time. Next, finely chop your large onion and mince the 2 cloves of garlic. Proper preparation is key to building flavor, so take your time with these steps. Having all your ingredients prepped and ready before you start cooking will make the entire process much smoother and more enjoyable. With your vegetables prepped, it is time to start cooking. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic, sautéing them for about 5 minutes until they are fragrant and softened. Next, add the diced potatoes and carrots to the pot, followed by 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 20 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender. Finally, let's finish our delicious soup. Once the vegetables are tender, use an immersion blender to blend the soup to your desired consistency. You can make it completely smooth or leave some chunks for texture. For extra richness, stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream or coconut milk, if you like. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Ladle the warm soup into bowls, garnish with fresh parsley or chives, and serve immediately for a comforting and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.